Ghana for the year and some call for now on Papa. Ejina say on the cook Romano and the Oman Equity Olive. Some call for now, Omo your mother said, Omo Magana for your farm with William Adudanko Kufado, Jacob Lampi, Aquajemo, and in Kofon Kayomuki Count. Your fan is saying, Sir, NLC, for no Cabo, your mother, so me put young Coma, Senator Emma, that found Mudia Ghana for Peno, Yeniano. Diana ne omutitu omumam in edition Oliver Eddie or Sergeant Flat to the Whistle. Yet in the Casa, yet in the same chroma. So no crack, Nipa Bonini Biano or Tino Crack or Tin Seal 2. Shamon Shadi, police will be Cassia, Maniban Oliver. Why? Maniban or yeah, but if you look around, yeah, say, in the no cray adan intro, adan crazy. The culture Ghana for say, Muma Yin starting Cambo, the politicians of this country, who say, yeah, Yan Cambo, Yako Parliament today, Aquaje as Garcia Tuma, what is Omoko? Yako Parliament today, to say, Aquaco Catchon Sabamo Fuela, what is Omoko? But Yabasi Ababa, the Sisi Dama Ghana for Saglame, Essim Rim, who forced the affordable house since 2000, and I'm Gurim and Gurim. And then the greatest challenge I Ghana for film, rent, and I'm a boy, who year Juma Yachaka 4 million. At the end of the month, what they are with the Mucha 3 million. So, which are the month, and Kausika, and Akasa, and Destinies, and one of the child, and no man have it, and one of the focus, South Ghana from Mayan Campo. You bet you that's a son of my name, say yes, Kamboma. Together, we can make Ghana a better Come.
Don't worry, you take the message out. Don't worry about them. Yeah, if they are not coming, don't worry.
My name is Yakume, the founder and the leader of United Democratic Party. I want to thank Ghanaians. Whether you are NDC or MPP, you are not the owner of Ghana.
Yes.
You are there.
I am the founder and leader of United Democratic Party. I was once an NDC man. I took against Mahama and I did a campaign for Nanado because I know that Nanado is a lawyer. He has experience to move this country. But Nanado has disappointed us.
Yes.
You are there. You are there.
Nanado has disappointed us.
You are there. You all voted for him.
And leaders must lead example.
Yes.
And we must follow.
Yes.
What Nanado is doing is not living example.
Yeah.
What is the youth going to do tomorrow? If our leaders can lie, this message is going to the IGP.
Yes.
IGP, you are a doctor. All the IGP that has passed, they are all my friends.
Yeah.
Kudama was my friend. Alasta was my friend. All of them was my friend. If you are in a power, the moment you leave a power, you have no option, no secret there for you.
Yes.
Whatever we are doing today, you are going to solve it tomorrow.
Yes.
Whether you are judge, you are IGP, you must know that if you are not important, you have a future.
Yes.
My serious issue is about the police. How can the police be working and be struggling? They don't have a place to sleep.
Yes.
Police, Minya, how can the police be working? They don't have a place to sleep. Police have 5 children. He sleep in a small room. He fridge is outside. But we are not talking about that. IGP, I want to ask you a question. When you come as an IGP, a doctor.
Okay, you just lower the tone. Lower the tone.
IGP, I think you're disturbing the court. IGP,
we have allowed him to calm down.
disturbing the court. Please. Take them away from here. Take them away. You're disturbing the court. My name is Madam.
Go.
Does it mean that my concern is not important?
Oh, I captured you. I captured it. I captured it, right? I captured it.
Alaska was my friend. Who was my friend? But the question is, did he have the bodyguard?
Masa, why?
A lot of people.
Obama.
They say what we are saying is so stand for cool, and we are making sure that the rights of every citizen will be protected. Two, you know, as a country, we are will be given to us basically because you know, even the people himself once said, okay, he made emphasis in 2016 with regards to Arab Spring, isn't it? Okay, what was Arab Spring about? Arab Spring was about a youth who was frustrated, set himself ablaze, he burned himself to death, which sparked the people of his country, the youth of his country, to rise up and fight, isn't it? Was it an incitement or not? That the youth of this country should rise up, or else Arab Spring can happen in this country. Akufo-Addo once said, all die die. Was it? No. These are all comments made by people who don't deserve to be making such comments. Yet they made them and they were free. Okay, nothing. That is not to say. What I'm saying, you don't want to agree with me. I'll call the police on you. No, what I'm shoot in Ghana. That is what is happening in this country. We will make that no matter the intimidation, no matter whatever they do, now the police are even trying to intimidate. They've done a very good job by making sure that they protect us. But now what they are doing is they're trying to intimidate. It's getting too much. Why? Are we the citizens not supposed to be protected? Are the judges only Ghanaians? Are the judges only Ghanaians? In the where you force at idea? People wear this. We are ready to die for that.
Try.
We are moving.
David, you can't just for no.
Yes. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians, and no matter
it doesn't belong to one person. Yeah.
This one day, who scored in office, we are making a mistake and protect. Fighting in this fight. I am not sure of any people who are supposed to fight this. Fighting against this cause. Will be vindicated. Ghana will surely be vindicated.
Alright, you have intimidation. I bet him there any pana say I say
president no did not only the party only today the same president also have a protecting the public purse. I put blame now on the people Ghana force what the people Ghana force was and collect your fruit of I don't want us to speak.
You speak.
The liberation. No, we are just doing the awakening. The children that will come and fight for the. We are going to fight for the nation. Whether they don't like it or not, Ghana is. Yes. We are moving Ghana forward. forward. Nana will say you're discussing the police are suffering. The police are sleeping outside. We are moving Ghana forward. Please interview me.
This your name. Your name. The founder.
The founder and the leader of United Democratic Party. UDP. Yes.
Yes. You stand for Ghana.
I am standing for Ghana. I am not dying for my interest. So I am ready to die for Ghana. Yes. I don't care. The truth shall set Ghana free. Yes. Not the lie. Yes. The truth shall set Ghana free.
The truth is so bad.
This is a lie.
They are lying, yeah.
The mere you do this, I shall deliver Ghana from
Are you going with us to the Asama police station? We are going there to free Oliver. We have to go there. Oliver is there. They take him there, so we are not going there.
Yes, Papa, I will talk.
Hey, Raf, come. Come. Man, start. Man, did you not start it? Somebody did not start it.
I want to first year one. And I'm 2 years old for 1 but the 19
I don't know if you can Kasaka. Oh, how listen.
Yes, sir. My
yeah, black.